Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Simple Notification Service. SNS, the quickest solution for receiving Web3 communication directly to the platform you are building, whether it's a wallet, Telegram, Discord, DeFi, or GameFi dApp. Integrating the SNS module into your code only takes less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Implement a webhook to listen to AWS SNS. We will provide a boilerplate link down below. Step 2. Open an endpoint either at a dedicated IP that listens to SNS, or if you are testing locally, you can expose the public endpoint. There are tons of software available. Step 3. Once you set this up, let us know and we can get you whitelisted. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.